We are live, guys. We are gonna wait for you guys to join in. It's 11:56 here in Houston, Texas. We got God knows how many shots, but guys, right now it's 11:56 here at the Elite Fireworks. We just pulled the truck up here. Now we're just gonna unload it so we can go ahead and shoot all this for our finale here at the Elite Fireworks, guys. I mean, guys, this is gonna be epic. Let's just say every year we are going bigger and bigger, guys. The truck is moving out of the way. Right now we got a trailer here. Where's everyone watching from? So we're gonna get many people joining from different parts. So first of all, we got a lot of, so it's gonna be very synchronized, all right? So this half and the other half, it's gonna be the same thing. So for instance, in the middle, we got solar eruptions, double stacked here, Cruise Samurai, great zippers. A lot of this is gonna be quick fused, so it's gonna be very, very fast. It's probably the finale we are looking at, maybe, if I were to say, estimate maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Now, of course, right here we have Gone Past Jupiter. This is my favorite cake here at the Elite Fireworks. We got Brave Soldier, Prime Legend. From Raccoon, we got Willow King right here. Dream Tracer from American Pro Series. Artistic Pyro from Windup. Guys, this is going to be nice. So, Booming Thunder. Of course, NOAB. So, we have some NOABs on this side and this side, but all the way in the back for the finale, we got a ton of NOABs. So, let me just go. So, a lot of our neighbors are starting to shoot fireworks. In elite fashion, we're always late just because we're busy with our store. So, we have to turn off the light. So, you got the lighter?
I got 2 lighters.
Okay, we got 2 lighters, guys. So we're gonna move back in a bit. So when it's 11:59, I'm gonna move back. Sudi, are you ready? Actually, I'm gonna move back. It's 11:58, so let's just wait. Neighbors are starting to shoot a lot of fireworks. Let me run, guys. Just give me a second. Look at the neighbors. Hold on, guys. I want to get a good view. It's 11:58, guys. $11:59. Of course, the neighbors are shooting. All right, guys, we just lighted. Let's go. This is Elite Fireworks 2023. First of all, let's go, guys. Woo! there you have it. Of course, all of our Elite Fireworks team here. That was a quick show, guys. Woo! Happy New Year's, guys. So, there's still some more Saturn missiles because they last a long time. Neighbors. Happy New Year's, guys. You see, Captain America, it's a very long-lasting Saturn missile. What did you think, Suli? No, they last 3 minutes, the Saturn missiles. So depending on when you light it. But guys, there you have it as far as the show. It was all cakes. The reason we did all cakes this year is because we were extremely busy here at the Elite, so we didn't have time to put 500 canisters at once because it takes time to set up everything. But there you have it, guys. Of course, our neighbors are still shooting, so Happy New Year's, guys. Happy New Year from the whole team here at the Elite Firework. I hope you guys did enjoy that, but for right now, we can watch some of our neighbors. But anyway, guys, I wish you guys the best. And until next time, we will see you once again here at the Elite Fireworks. And once again, Happy New Year.